Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to open Abaqus in your computer. Actually, there are some methods that are available for you to open Abaqus. So the first method is the direct method. So you can directly open Abaqus in the default folder. And the second method is called open Abaqus using DOS Abaqus command in the default folder. The third method will be start your abacus with DOS command, and next is start abacus with PowerShell in specific project folder. And the last one could be start your MATLAB, your abacus in MATLAB in some specific project folder. So now I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, so I'm going to show you first how to open directly Abaqus in the default folder. So normally if your Abaqus is installed correctly, so then normally you can find the icon of Abaqus on your desktop. So you can double click the icon. Then normally you can see a black window like this. And wait for a minute. Then you open Abaqus. So this is the first method. Okay. Okay. So actually, what you are doing, if you open directory Abaqus, actually you open Abaqus in a default folder. This is the default folder when you install Abaqus on your computer. So if you directly open Abaqus like this way, so actually it's like you open your Abaqus under this folder. Okay, because for me the default Abaqus folder is called temp Abaqus. So actually now I'm opening Abaqus under this folder. Okay, yes. This is the first method. And now I'm going to show you the second method, how to open Abaqus using DOS Abaqus in the default folder. Okay, so um, for that we can search Abaqus. Okay, then you will see on the list Abaqus command. Then you can click this button. Then you will see a black window which is the DOS command window. So here you can see my default folder temp Abaqus. Actually is in the disk in my folder tempo Abaqus. So we are here. So now how can I open Abaqus by command? So you can just input this command Abaqus C A T, then enter. Okay, then you open Abaqus again. But remember that for the first and the second method, for this two method, if you open your Abaqus like this, you will open your Abaqus under your default working folder. For me, in my case, it's called temp Abaqus. Okay. Actually, I will not recommend you to open Abaqus by the first two methods. Why? Because in the future you may have many project files. So if you always open Abaqus in the default working folder, so like me, you will have many files. Okay, in the future you will get lost. That's for sure. So that's why I don't recommend you to open Abaqus with this two methods. Okay, so and what I'm going to do, the better way is this three methods. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to the first one, how to open Abaqus in a specific project folder by DOS. Okay, so for example, if we want to well organize our calculation project file, so normally we should well organize it. So we should create a folder as you want. In my case, I call it Abaqus project. Okay, so here, for example, if I have a project, the project is called beam, whatever. Okay, beam. So I want to create a model in this folder, and I want to open my Abaqus in this folder. So what should I do? I'm going to use the DOS command. So here, first, how can I do? First, input cmd. Okay, open your DOS folder. Then, with the DOS command, you can go to the folder that you have created. For example, now here I'm in D disk. I'm going to go to my folder Abaqus project. Yes. Then you can see I have my subfolder. So then I go again to this folder. Okay, so here and under this folder you input Abaqus CAE. So look, when you open Abaqus under this folder, so you should have some Abaqus files. I will explain what they are in the future. Okay, so now you have successfully opened Abaqus under this folder by DOS command. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, so this is the third method. You can open your Abaqus in a specific project folder by DOS. Okay, but there is a better one. The better one is to use PowerShell. Okay, actually PowerShell is a very powerful tool. It's a mix of Linux command with Windows command. So PowerShell is a very powerful tool. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to open Abaqus by PowerShell in the very specific folder. So okay, now I'm going to show you how to open Abaqus with the very powerful PowerShell in your specific project folder. So yeah, suppose that we are going we have another project. The project is called tile. Okay, so we are going to create a new project in our in folder. Okay, so this time we are going to use PowerShell. Okay, so for PowerShell, yeah, I'm going to open my PowerShell. Okay, so it looks like the DOS system. So, but PowerShell is much more powerful than DOS. Okay, so here now this is our current folder. Okay, you can use pwd command to verify your path. Okay, so again we are going to go to D disk. Okay, now we are in D disk. Then we use cd command to go to our working folder, project. Then we go to file. Okay, so you can open file folder here. Yes. Okay. So now we are going to open Abaqus here by command Abaqus C D E. Okay. So again, when you have opened the Abaqus, you can see you have some created files by Abaqus under your folder. It means you have successfully opened Abaqus in your folder. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is the how you can open MATLAB, no, Abaqus with PowerShell. Okay, and there is a simpler way of start PowerShell under your folder. Is that so we can hold your Shift button on your keyboard and then right click your mouse, and here we can select PowerShell. Then automatically you can open your PowerShell under this folder path. Okay, then we can open again Abaqus. Okay, again you have opened Abaqus under this folder. That's very nice. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce the last method is to start Abaqus in MATLAB in specific project folder. Okay, so I'm going to show you. First, we can open MATLAB. Okay, so now I've opened the MATLAB. But here you will see now we are in some folder which I don't know. It's not our the good path of our working folder. So first we have to go to our working folder. Okay, so it's very easy. So you copy and paste the path in your MATLAB. Okay, so now we are here, right? And then you can use some command to open Abaqus by MATLAB. Okay, the command is this DOS Abaqus. Okay, mhm. Okay, very nice. So now you opened Abaqus again in with MATLAB. Okay, so there is instead of using DOS brisket Abaqus CRL, there is a simpler command. Is this you input this symbol and directly Abaqus AAE. Okay, then you have opened Abaqus again with MATLAB. Okay, so there is also another command which is available in MATLAB. It's called this. If I remember well, okay, the command is like like this, but I'm not sure if the command is okay. I'm going to try. Okay, yes, the command is okay. Okay, you have opened MATLAB again. Okay, so that's for the last method. So now I'm not going to comment uh, on this method. So actually, I recommend you to open your Abaqus by this method because PowerShell is a very powerful and very useful tool to you can you can check your calculation with PowerShell, and it's very powerful, and there is no limit of command length in PowerShell. And there are also many other very nice operations you can do with PowerShell. So, and with this method, you can very well organize your project Abaqus project files. Okay, so that's why I recommend you to use this method to start Abaqus in your computer. Okay, thanks.